In the navigation area, under Extras, the configuration window is available. Here, settings and modifications can be changed. Detailed explanations provided in the following video, Configuration Part 2. This section manages the paths leading to report storage. Utilizing Jasper reports, you can access and employ both local and server-based report templates. The Update button facilitates the loading of current or new templates from the server. Upon restarting Crash Designer, a notification prompts the operator to choose whether to load the update. Additionally, the update can be manually triggered using the Update button. The task Create Reports within the test execution part directly references to settings found in the reports. It also influences reports generated during test preparation. The task list configuration directly impacts the left side of the test execution interface and influences the edit menu options available during the test. Users have the flexibility to choose between a standard list, a local stored list, or a list stored on the server. Specifically, with the server list option, multiple lists can be stored for varied needs. Similar to the Task Lists tab, an Update button is available here to ensure synchronization with the latest configurations, maintaining consistency across lists. Users can select between local test runs or remote setups for the event sequence configuration. This configuration is directly linked to the logical I/O, input-output, and event sequence within the test execution. Under Tab Facility, the logical I/O digital channels handle reading, setting bits, and communicate with the test bench control system. The event sequence serves as an automation tool for the test procedure. It controls steps before, during, and after the actual crash, ensuring precise execution of the test sequence. The Part Sensor ID modules offers default selection opts for DALAS ID sensor identification. It provides options for short and long differentiation. TEDS recognition is available within the DALAS ID identification. Additionally, there is an option to activate Endevco IDs for sensor identification. If none is in use, it's recommended to deactivate it due to its time-intensive nature during the ID check. In program settings, users can measure the excitation voltage post-programming with an approximate duration of 0.5 seconds per channel. For instance, it takes 60 seconds for a 32-channel KEDAW. Setting the shunt resistor is crucial when transitioning from mini-DAWs to KEDAWs. Mini-DAWs have a permanently installed shunt resistor, whereas KEDAWs only emulate values with a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Adapting shunt resistors when switching between these devices is advisable. Device selection within the network is accomplished through network-based selection. Certain DTI recorder require a predefined search area, whereas the new DTI 375 eliminates this need. Multicast enables comprehensive network device searches, like for mini-DAWs or KEDAWs. Deactivating broadcast for unused or absent devices is recommended for optimization. The software adjust offset functionality zeros data or sensors that fluctuate towards the target and have changed compared to the car standstill. It resets the accumulated data or measured values leading up to the impact. Users can define the range, typically 40 to 60 milliseconds before T0, calculate the average value, and then subtract it from the measured data. In the test execution, the software adjust offset is represented as a blue bar before T0. This process applies to all physical dimensions displayed as ISO codes, excluding voltage, current, etc. Integrated calculation units are available for viewing only. For instance, if acceleration is recorded, integrating speed can provide valuable insights. This feature is exclusive to offline viewing as it doesn't store as a separate channel. The three-dot button allows users to edit these channels as needed.